So I am from Hindi Department, Shillong College, Assistant Professor, and my name is Dayapira Kharsakti. Talking about the contribution of Hindi in the state, I think it contribute a lot. I know some students who go outside. I mean, basically, in terms of communication, we can use this language. So many students are coming to the college knowing the importance of the language. And the good news is not only students from outside the state, but majority of them, or majority of my students are locals. Yeah.
So the college also achieved a success in getting 7 students.
Yes. It is a great. I mean, I'm very happy, and the faculty of Hindi Department, Shillong College, we are very happy and glad knowing that out of seven of our students, they are in top list, and they are in merit list of Northeastern Hill University examination undergraduate. Yeah.
So why is that there is dislike for Hindi here? Here, not only here, in southern states also.
Yeah, I will. I don't want to go to that aspect of it, but I would just repeat the same thing, that there's no harm in learning a language, and especially any language which give you a good a job opportunity. There's no harm in that. Yeah.
So there's a lot of scope for getting jobs here.
Yes.
There are central institutes and
Yes. I will start from academic thing, whereas we can see in school. In fact, MBOS also is giving like course. I mean Hindi course. Okay, not only MBOS, ICSE also is there. CBSE, me myself, I'm from CBSE. So by learning Hindi, if I'll end up there only, that if we are getting job, why not? The job opportunities are there. Not only in schools, I would like to inform everyone that college, like Shillong College, it's offering Hindi honors. So if any student passed out from school, they can obviously come and join this course.
how many Hindi teachers are here?
There are 4 faculties in our department. Yes.
Okay, you can also tell us, give a message in Hindi as well as in Khasi regarding the use and the prospects of Hindi.
Yeah, sure. मैं इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि हिंदी भाषा के माध्यम से हम जिस राज्य में हैं, इसके माध्यम से हम बहुत ज़्यादा जो आज जिस समय में हम रह रहे हैं, जहाँ पर नौकरी की इतनी कमी हो रही है, और मेघालय एक ऐसा राज्य है जहाँ पर हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हिंदी पढ़ने वाले अभी हमें चाहिए। इसका एक मैं कह सकती हूँ, इसका एक मोटिव ये है कि जो हमारा कल्चर है, जो हमारा जो हम कह सकते हैं जो हमारी संस्कृति है, जो हमारा हम कह सकते हैं जो हमारा साहित्य है, उसको हम आगे खासी साहित्य और खासी जो संस्कृति है, हम उसको इसी के माध्यम से भी बढ़ा सकते हैं आगे। जहाँ पर हम अगर कहीं दूसरी जगह जाते हैं, तो हम हिंदी के माध्यम से अपने आप को हम प्रस्तुत और प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं।
You can tell us in Khasi also.
Lengba ka nega channel nga ko aban ong nga ko aban khot ye kito ki khna khasi ki ba don interest ki don ka jing ko aban pule shakhmat ha ka hindi nga ko aban ong ki bon ki college ha po ki ba ka nihu ka lai tho kum ka Shillong college I offer ya ka hindi major ha ba kila ban one ban pule ya ka hindi major under NEP, but omne tang kata de klada nang ne phila ban ne po di ho ha ka ba ki offer ya ka master but ka PhD ro ha ka jo po, but kidon ki college ro ki ba ka BEd ro dak ba shemet to BEd phila ban ya chkhmat ba de ha ka ne ka subject.
Are there works in Khasi translated in Hindi and vice versa? It is happening?
Yes, sir. There are many works. I will not say many because there are still there's less of teachers who are actually took Hindi as a subject. But we are working on that. We have done some books are there which are translated from Khasi to, I mean, papers we can say, or maybe some kind of folklore thing. It's there. We have translated it into Hindi, and whenever we go outside for any seminars or we present any paper, we try to, not we try, but we obviously we take the paper which is related to Khasi culture and any culture from Meghalaya.